Hello guys and welcome back to a new video on the Nature vs Marketing channel. Today we are giving this beautiful bromelia a fresh new bed, a very comfy pumice pot that I did myself. No boring stuff here, just relax and enjoy the video while we are showing you how to pot this bad boy inside the stone. Today I'm working with the Madeira Red Tiger, but Bromeliad's family includes very wide variety of the species and they are stunningly good. Just take a look for a second the way how Archmias looking, how looking Neoregelias, Guzmanias, Tantuses, Tillandsias and all those guys. Really stunning and unusual plant. So, while we was watching the bromeliads, I prepared some basement for the stone pot with the little plastic mesh to avoid drainage to fall off the stone, and I check how plant fitting the stone. While I prepare the pot, let's take a look on some other bromeliad styles and kinds. Those plants came in all kind of wild looks, definitely a cool way to level up any space. Especially knowing that Bromelia family includes extremely wild number of different species. Watching those plants, their colors, their shapes, I don't think you need any sort of rhythm to motivate you to please your eyes with their presence. They are really worth to be next to people who like plants. Those ones that you are looking are a part of my collection. So let me know guys if you want to know more about bromeliads in the comment section. And very soon I'm planning to dive a little bit more deeper into information topic and caring topic about Bromelia family. In Madeira Island you can easily find those dudes chilling very nicely in the gardens, wherever they're public or people's home. So it consciously pushes you to desire them more, to give them a try in every corner of your place. And believe me or not, I found those ones just standing in some abandoned land with the absolute no care, just nature doing its thing. So a super plus for bromeliads, they are easy to care and will look great in every corner, as I said, of your home or garden or tree. Even office, but office a bit more difficult. And especially you're going to be glad at the moments when they're going to bloom for you. But blooming is a topic for another video. So if you wanna know how to care after your bromeliads to make them bloom, let me know in the comments or hit the subscribe button and I'll show you that bromeliads are really friendly plants and it's super easy to care after them. At this stage I'm going to use some moss to apply it around the roots to allow them to be comfy and in breathable area. Moss keeps moist well and provides good ventilation. Currently, it's all that needed for this bromelia. To handle it like a pro, you need to know that bromelia roots need space. Use big grain with some additionals like clay or akadama, but don't squeeze them too much. Give them room to grow and stay comfy in a breathable area. Here I'm using some red lava rock for the top dressing. It gives the pot a cool look and great drainage system for the plant. Et voila! That's how you repot a bromeliad, looking fresh and ready to vibe in its new home.